Your video went viral. Oh my god, really can't believe this. Seriously, oh my god. Do you want to know how this happened? If yes, keep watching the video, because in this video we're going to talk about 5 secrets of how your video can go viral, and we're going to talk all about it. So keep watching, guys. Hi guys, this is Dr. Shruti and you welcome to this channel where we talk all about YouTube growth tips, creating online business around YouTube, and having the right mindset to do so. So in this video today we're going to talk about how my video went viral and how you can leverage those 5 secrets to make your videos go viral. So let's dive right into the topic. So first of all, let's see which video are we talking about. So this is our first YouTube channel which we have started about 4 years back, and this is the particular video on how to read an ECG which really went viral. This video has accumulated almost 2.5 million views by now, to be accurate 2.48 million views as of now, and it is growing and growing and growing. So this is the first video that actually went viral on our channel, and this video let us know and told us that there is so much more possible on YouTube. So I cannot wait for you guys to have one breakthrough video on your channel, which is one viral video or one video which can actually create something massive around your channel. Also, in case you want to see me, here are the 2 videos. You can see my face on them. Mostly these are animated videos. So let's start the video and I'll tell you all the secrets of how my video went viral. So secret number 1 is research, research, research. I cannot emphasize this enough, guys. You have to do proper research before even making a video. Means that you have to spend a bit of time and find out the topics that have really high demand or that have already previous breakthrough videos on other channel. Breakthrough videos means that the ratio of the number of subscribers and the number of views is very different. Means you have very high number of views compared to the number of subscribers of the channel. So try and find these videos and see what are those topics that you can also leverage and you can make videos about, and from there on starts your journey of going viral. A well-researched topic can actually make or break a video. So we did a thorough research of the topic of how to read ECG, and we ensured that enough people are searching for the topic, and then we decided to make the video about it. And at that time we had no idea about TUBEBUDDY or any other fancy softwares and apps, so we did all the research using Google and YouTube as a search engine. But if you want to speed up your process of finding your video ideas and topics, you can use TUBEBUDDY. The link will be in the description below, and that will actually speed up your process and saves up a lot of time, because ours took a lot of time to research. But you can do it on YouTube search as well. So moving on to secret number 2. Secret number 2 is actually that we had niched down right from the starting. So when our video started going viral and when it was starting having more and more views, people actually subscribed, because they could see that all the other videos on this channel was all about medical educational topics, and this is what the channel is about. So once the viewer is subscribed, that particular viewer knew that what this channel is all about. It is all about medical educational topics. So as we discussed before, you should have one main niche or one main topic for your channel, and maybe 1 or 2 sub niche or subtopics, not more than 2 sub niches or subtopics for your channel. If you do that, if you have a proper niche, YouTube actually promotes your video and makes it go in front of the people who actually want to see your type of content. The lesser the better for YouTube to recognize your expertise in that particular topic or niche. Secret number 3, which is not really a secret, is that we really put in all the hard work to create the quality content. We gave our all in. We did a lot of research. We crafted, like took so many time to craft a perfect script for this particular video. We spent lots and lots of hours to execute this video and tried to make it as good as possible. So nothing can beat content quality, and I guess that is the best thing that you can do for your channel, is put in all the effort for the good content. yes, other things are important, but that is the most important thing, and we did it with our best efforts, and I think we are grateful that it finally came to fruition. So secret number 4 is actually optimizing your video for search engine optimization or for YouTube algorithm. In this particular thing, we spend a lot of time in doing the proper research. Again, I'm using the word research so many times because we actually spend a lot of time in doing that, and any video can blow up on YouTube if you actually spend a lot of time on research and analyzing your data and working on that. I know it's not really practical to do for each and every video, or it might be, but it takes a lot of time. So we really went all in and did the research for search engine optimization as well for this video, and actually as soon as we did that, the views started coming in and we could see the results. So guys, if you are still watching, please like the video and leave a comment below which secret till now did you like the best. So secret number 5 is actually building a community. So we always try to respond to each and every comment on YouTube or on Instagram or anywhere we could connect with our community, and we are forever grateful for our community who has made us who we are, and this is such a big family, and we are truly thankful for each member of this family, of this huge family of 125,000 people. And I cannot thank them enough for giving us all the support and love they've given. And it truly amazes me when people with very small following also do not really respond to the comments or do not respond to their community. I mean, you are who you are because of this amazing community. Always respect that, always try to serve the community as much as possible. So these were actually 5 tips, not secrets anymore, which help our video go viral, and you can also use these tips to make your videos go viral, and we'll cover in detail about all these topics gradually in the coming videos. So stay tuned for that. Also, there is a checklist in the description box below on how to post your first YouTube video, and you can download it and keep it for future reference when you want to launch your first video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos about YouTube business and mindset, and also please hit the notification bell to get notification when I upload my next video and when I go live. So guys, this was all about how our video went viral, and I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.